Tesla stock is a buy. In this video, I want to go over the in-depth analysis for Tesla stock. I will be going over the options contract that I have personally got, as well as I alerted the play on Twitter. So I made a alert on Twitter, 160 weekly call. I want to go over the stop loss, the price target for Tesla, and what I am exactly looking at. And I'll be going in very in depth. So as if you have no idea, I'll be explaining it and dumbing it down very simple. Make sure to also check out the newsletter at sundaystocktalk.com, completely free. You guys can get these very nice setups right into your email newsletter. Makes everything very easy, especially if you don't want to watch the videos for 10-minute long video. You guys can just read this report. Follow me on Twitter and make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers this year, so definitely would help a lot if you guys can subscribe. And make sure to also check out Mumu, link in the description, for some free stocks. So let's get started with Tesla. So I want to go over the technical analysis, but the first thing that I really want to go over here is just some common sense and kind of, my thinking and what I'm looking at in for Tesla. So if we take a look at the past 5 days for Tesla, it has been down 13%. And the reason it's down this much is because of its earnings report. So I want to use some common sense. I want to use just some basic thinking for the play and why I want to buy in calls and some extra analysis. So if we're down 13% for Tesla, the probability of it going lower is lower because we are already down, especially in the 10% mark. We're already down more than 10%. So the probability of it going lower is lower. So if we're going to buy calls, we have kind of more, the risk to reward is more worth it because it's already down so much on the week. How much lower can it go with the earnings report? So that is just a basic idea and a basic analysis on just taking a look at the 5-day chart. It's down so much. Are we going to possibly see a bear flag or just a quick bounce? And I really just want to play a bounce. Okay, the whole thing about this play is us playing a bounce, especially on the weekly call. So if we gap up tomorrow, we're up like 50%. Just get out a quick scalp. And that is what I'm taking a look at the play for Tesla. Now let's take a look at the chart and go in depth on the chart. So we gapped down and now we have this gap. We have this psychological gap going on for Tesla here. And then we have tested the level of support at $163. And this is the area that I bought my call. So I alerted this on Twitter right around this area, and then we did actually go up, so I'm already up a lot on this play already as of I alerted on all the Discord servers as well as Twitter. So we could see that we closed at this level of support. Okay, we want to be above $163. Okay, we want to be above this area here because this is the level of support. If we close below here on the daily time frame, that is going to be our stop loss for Tesla, because you can see that we have bounced off of this zone 2 times so far, and we are basically expecting a bounce here, and we want to play this bounce going on with Tesla. So that is going to be our stop loss. Now, what is going to be our price target? Well, we did get weekly calls, so we got this week calls. So if the stock moves up, even just 1%, our contracts are going to be up huge because we have this week expiration. So one thing that I want to keep in mind is the profit target is going to be around 50%, 100%, whatever you are feeling comfortable with, because the contracts that we got move faster, move quicker. So you gotta, kind of take in profit around right when you see the profit. So as well as for the price target, I'm taking a look at, let's take a look at the 1 hour. I want to take a look at this level of resistance that we are in right now. So around this area and around the gap entry at $170 is going to be a solid price target. But again, if you're holding weekly contracts, guys, kind of want to get out early and not hold it throughout the week. So that is what I'm looking at for the price target. We have the stop loss gone, and then we have the entry, which is right over here. Now I want to go to options profit calculator, and I want to go with the profit as well as the loss and the contract that I personally got. So you guys can go to long call. I made a whole video on this on how you guys can check your profit on options profit calculator. So got this week expiration. It's going to be a quick in and out. If Tesla gaps up tomorrow, just get out. The expiration that I got is at the money 490. So I got it at 410 as I alerted on all the Discord servers and as well as Twitter. So I'm going to click calculate, and you can kind of see the target. And if our price target, for example, is $170 and we hit $170 for Tesla tomorrow, that's 100% gainer on our profit calculator for our options. That is going to be really, really interesting. But again, you want to take profit. I want to take, profit at like 50%, 30%, and kind of get it out of the way, because I don't want to, risk it throughout the week, especially with all the earnings report. So that is really pretty much it with Tesla. You guys can also play shares if you want to play like a 4% jump, risk for like a 4% gain on Tesla shares. But that is pretty much it. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, sign up for SundayStockTalk.com, a completely free newsletter right into your email box. Again, follow me on Twitter, where I'm going to post a lot more live alerts, and subscribe to me on YouTube. So overall, that is it, and let's see you guys tomorrow. Bye.